are the reason why this publishing is strong. We're standing together, so proud and so happy. And with the books we print, we shared not just knowledge. We are here for you with our great big helping hand. We have that tool to educate our youngs, to aid our teachers, help them plan. Turn on the pages and read what you see. And with our quality, we'll take you near or far. We are here to serve you now and let you know we are here for everyone who needs our helping hand. We are here to find the way to help you teach. Knowledge for all, make this world a better place. We are the IEMI, IEMI, the IEMI, aiming high.